It's alright to be down, just remember to get up, you know what I mean? Always. Yeah. Check it. Hey. The ones who survive are the ones with the drive to live and never die, make stats and multiply. Cause in order to conquer, you first gotta divide. So the ride in life ain't always gonna be fine. There will be many times you would wanna rewind and just permanently delete it from the back of your mind. Tangled up situations you just wanna unwind and reiterate every line of pain with a smile. Just going back to days frowns didn't exist. Them old days we steady think about them in this. Cause now everything seems to just come with a twist. When way back it used to be so simple as shit. Them hard things that used to be so simple to fix. What used to be so slow is now coming so quick. A target you used to hit is now a shot that you missed. And now you're thinking to yourself, why did it end up like this?
I feel myself breaking, I feel myself breaking, and I just can't take this, I can't take this shit no more. I feel myself breaking, I feel myself breaking, and I just can't take this, I can't take this shit no more.
Landlord's tripping, got us feeling really overwhelmed. I swear to God, man, the bitch got us going through hell. But what could I do? I'm feeling on parole with no dough, so I just gotta let this shit go. Unlawful detainers trying to give us the boot, cause the mind is corrupted over scheming for loot. They wouldn't believe you even if you told them the truth. So you gotta give them a lesson, they go back to your roots. Cause every angle is different like a fuse in a cube. But you only pick out the angles you find useful to you. So if it's useful to use, it's easy to pick and choose. Cause the angles will let you know about life and its rules. You gotta look at yourself as a valuable tool. And you gotta look in the mirror for satisfied and cool. Cause only you will know what's false and true about you. And if you lose that in itself, you lose you.
I feel myself breaking, I feel myself breaking, and I just can't take this, I can't take this shit.
I tell myself stay focused and always keep your eyes on the prize. Never mind the people trying to deduct from your shine. The best way to get them though is using your mind. Because half of them are blind by the knowledge inside. Think long term and always let the bullshit slide. Go and notch up your rhyme without falling out of line. Ride when it's only at that time to ride. And never judge a book by its looks or its size. Never fear to rise when it's time to collide. And never prepare to fight but prepare to survive. Feed on positive and not the negative vibes. And never panic in any tribulation or trial. Cause you always come to an end when you're walking a mile. And you always get through it even if it takes you a while. Cause trouble don't come alone, man, they come by the pals. So even throughout the hard times, remember to smile. Ha. No option. Dog, I see you. No matter what, don't give up.